Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is an 11 by 14 acrylic on canvas called Grassroots. And my colors are Modern Masters Iridescent Gold. That's a green mixture. I don't know exactly what's in it. That's Charvin Indigo with Jenkins Green and Payne's Gray. That is just a nice burnt umber with a little bit of Mars Black. That's a Prussian Blue Payne's Gray mixture, mostly Prussian Blue. That's burnt orange by Modern Masters and Nicolazzo Gold, and then that's Deco Art 24 Karat Gold. That's my light gray Cloud Over mixture. And then I put a little bit of my base coat into that Squirt bottle that I showed you. So I'm doing a technique that Elise Fournier used to do a lot, kind of the injection technique, and there's a few things I really like about it. I'm just kind of layering all those colors into this little silicone cup. And I completely understand why she went in this direction, because you can put the colors straight down on the canvas and the colors are not sitting on top of the base coat, and then you can kind of add in that wonderful satin enamel mix kind of around it and in it if you like, and then it kind of makes for an opportunity to keep a little bit more of the color and create more of a intentional composition with the paint. So really a brilliant thing. See, I'm just kind of bringing it in around the edges, and it's not quite how she did it. She was really good at it. Some of her older videos, it's really cool. So yeah, this is just a pretty painting. I'm going to pop it on my website, and yeah, I did some embellishing after it was dry, and I actually did get that on film. So if you stick around, you'll see some embellishing, and then I'll show you the wet and dried results at the end as well. And I decided to put just a little dot in the middle and kind of play around with that a little bit, and it made for some interesting effects. And watch for the cloud over. So the cloud over mixtures that I'm using today are on the left-hand side there, that light gray and the Deco Art 24 Karat Gold. And yeah, you can kind of see what I'm referring to as far as the cloud over, watching for those colors to come onto the canvas. I usually put some other color down first after I stretch it out, and then sort of use the cloud over on top to get some desired effects. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, please subscribe if you would like, if you want to see more of my artwork. And I really appreciate you being here and watching what I'm doing in my sweet little studio that's in my home. I'm so fortunate to be able to do this in my home. So yeah, it's just a real joy. I've got some commissioned projects coming up, so I'll probably be more open for new commission work coming in like April. Yeah, and just have a really beautiful day and take great care. Okay, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off. When I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving, 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 loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me.